Hello, Texas Cruiser Fan Club. Hey, I hope y'all are having a great weekend. I am. It's a beautiful day down here on Galveston Island. I've been promising you guys that I would be doing a real personal, my thoughts about the open house from the Port of Galveston on the master plan. And there was a little bit of electricity in the air at the open house. It could have been because it's in Terminal 16, that brand new terminal. but the there were some cargo people there, and of course they always want more. They wish the whole port would be nothing but cargo, but that's not the reality of what can work. And they just kind of wanted to do or the cargo is king, and crew's just kind of a little stepchild down there that they'll throw a bone to every once in a while. That's not going to work either. That's not the reality of the situation. And I saw the main players. I know the main players down there. So, but they're resigned to, they got some good stuff coming their way too. The cruise industry is providing the funds for them to do the improvements on the cargo end, and it's going to be good for them too. But I did talk to certain, the port director Roger Reeves and Mr. De Leon, who's over the transportation division. He's actually a friend of mine. He told me, said, man, just let him know, and I can come down there and he'll give me a tour of the behind the scenes stuff and stuff they're working on. I would definitely take him up on that. And of course, my members will be the first to hear about what I find out about down there. But I think that fifth cruise terminal is coming soon. If you saw it on the board and on the information that the fifth terminal's coming in the 28th, 2028 to 2030. It's more like the front end of that, from what I'm hearing. I think that stuff, they're close to getting that solidified right now anyway. They feel like that fifth terminal's coming, and that first thing they showed me was that the Royal Caribbean terminal said, hey Rick, wouldn't it be neat to make that bigger? And then this is them telling me, it'll look really good to see an Icon there with an Oasis class ship at the same time. I said, that's my thought. So they want to make it big enough to where they can have both of those ships in. So to me, that's going to be coming. It's going to be coming soon because they want to. Well, Royal Caribbean's driving that. Royal Caribbean wants that in place, up and running by the time Perfect Day Mexico comes in. So that's going to be an opportunity, folks, for Royal Caribbean to be able to bring in the Icon. They already plan to have the Icon here with an Oasis class and a Freedom class ship in 27. So they do show Symphony leaving, or not leaving, but they show that Symphony's calendar stops at the end of February of 28. Icon and Liberty of the Seas, both their calendar goes all the way through the end of April, which is the end of the Royal Caribbean calendar. I'm hearing various things about another Oasis class coming in behind Symphony, and I'm hearing possibly one of the later ones like Wonder, or specifically I'm hearing Utopia. So we'll see about that. I love to have Utopia here. Utopia's a fine ship, and it would definitely do very well in Galveston, folks. So, I mentioned something about it'd be a great place also to bring in a celebrity ship, and they kind of smiled a little bit when I said that. So, we'll see what happens now. You know me, folks. I want to own a celebrity ship. So, anyway, it's nothing was new to me that they showed. I was expecting a little more, but I did want to see the reactions to some things that we talked about, and there's all positive reactions. So we'll see how that goes. So what I've been talking about for a while is they almost come out and say something. So, but you can tell by the reaction that I'm on something. I'm spot on. One more thing, one more prediction. Disney ship is going to send us a bigger ship, and I keep hearing something about Wish, Disney Wish. So we'll see. We'll see. They did promise us a newer, bigger ship coming, and that would be a newer, bigger ship. So I think Wish do well here. I'm not a Disney cruiser, but I do know that we have plenty of Disney cruisers here. We'll fill that ship up. And even at those prices that they want. So anyway, folks, I hope y'all have a great weekend. I'll be doing some more videos and sending it your way on the fan club channel, and we'll on the member page, and I have some more stuff coming. I do. So anyway, folks, y'all take it easy out there, and book a cruise. Talk to you later. Bye.